What's the deal, y'all? It's your boy j.koolii back with another video. Today's video, I'm gonna be getting the oil change. So I finally hit 500 miles, so I can start doing pulls for y'all. I'm gonna probably do some 0 to 60s today, see how good we can go. I got the Nittos on. They only 20s, they're the 555 R2s. I'm gonna just see, you know, what's the best 0 to 60 I can get with these tires. If this is your first time watching, go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe. Leave a comment below what you want to see done with the Redeye. Yeah, so right now I'm headed to AutoZone, about 11 minutes away. I'm gonna go get some oil. So you got to do an oil change once you hit 500 miles. So I'm gonna do an oil change. You know, let it circulate through the car or whatever. Then I'm gonna go get a car wash, and then we're gonna do some 0 to 60 pulls. So let's get into it. All right, y'all, so we just came from AutoZone. Now I'm gonna give y'all some free game, you feel me? Get your oil filter and get your oil by yourself. Don't go to the place and buy their oil because they be marking up. Get this. I got all this, everything I need for an oil change. Usually for Hellcats it's like $80 to $100. I got it for, let me focus, $53.18. Saved me about 50 bucks almost. 7 quarts, oil filter, good to go. Free game. Like I said earlier, I'm getting this car wash right fast because it is very dirty. I don't know if you can see that on my hood, but it looked like it's been sitting in like a desert. So I'm gonna go get this wash right fast. I'm gonna get the deluxe wash because I really need it. And this is the first wash for the Redeye, y'all. So this is a big moment for me. First oil change, first wash. I'm gonna need at least 50 likes this video, man. I'm gonna be humble because I don't be getting that many views because y'all don't mess with me like that. But yeah, so after this we're gonna be getting the oil change and all that, and then damn. All right, but yeah, after this we're gonna be getting the oil change and all that, and shit, let's get into it. That's the last of it. Alright, y'all, so I just got my oil change. What else I do? I got the car wash earlier. Now I'm gonna do some 0 to 60 pulls. Now I got Nittos on. So as you can see right here, hold up, let me get it for y'all. I tested it out, you know, a few times, whatever. My best on here, I know I say 2.3, but that was just me spinning. My best is 3.5 so far. I'm gonna see if I could beat that with the oil change now that I got 500 miles. I'm gonna try it on track and sport and see if there's a difference. So my tires are on 26 in the back PSI, 26 PSI in the back. So yeah, this is what I roll around usually in. Like if I was at a track, I'd probably knock them down at like 20. But since we're on the street, I'm gonna just keep it like this. So yeah, I'm gonna go to Mexico right fast, and we gonna do some 0 to 60 pulls and see what we can get. All right, y'all, so we're in Mexico now. So like I said, I got the drive shaft, axles, diff brace, some 20 Nittos, catless. I mean, as stock as you could get, you know, as safe as you could get. And we're gonna test these 0 to 60 pulls, see if I could beat 3.5, which is my current best right now. So let's get into it. feel it spinning a little bit. I tried to push it out, but it wasn't going. All right, let's try it again. Try without the brake boost. Let's see how I do. And this all have been in sport so far. I keep spinning, y'all. I keep spinning. All right, now I'm gonna switch over to track and see what I can do. Shit, y'all. 3.7, y'all. That's in track. All right, we're gonna try it again in track. I was spinning that whole time. That whole time I was spinning. That was a 4.0. I'm gonna ease onto it and see how I do. Alright, y'all, let the car cool down a little bit. That shit was scary. I ain't gonna go cap. That shit was scary. Fuck, this bitch is so fast, y'all. It don't make no sense. No sense whatsoever how fast this shit is. Alright, y'all, we back from Mexico. Now, the best I could do was in track, all track settings, on the street, 3.7 just now. But my best, my personal best was sport with, I believe I had traction control on all the way in sport, and I got a 3.5. But like I said, that was like perfect conditions, whatever, you know, with the car hooked up right away. But the best, the most consistent time that I got on these tires was like 4.1 seconds, which for this car, the amount of power it's putting down and then it being the street and stuff like that, it's not that bad. But if you could find a way to practice and consistently just get like a 3, anywhere close to a 3.5, even if it's 3.7, you should be winning races left and right, bro. Unless you're just racing all-wheel drive, 700 horsepower cars, which, you know, that's your mistake if you're doing that. But like I said, so this is the end of the video. If you like this video, like, comment, and subscribe. Keep rocking with me, and I'm gonna rock with y'all. I'm out this thing. Peace.